Hello guys, welcome to another video of Python for Beginner course. In this video we will be exploring the condition statements of Python, which are if, elif and else. So without wasting any time, let's move to the next chapter of this course. So I will just double click here, and as you can see there are as usual two files. First is description file and other is Python file. So the contents of description file are already available in the description of the video. You can just check that. Now let's open the Python file in VS Code. Up till now we have got a basic knowledge of Python. Now let's try to make some amazing projects or simple projects using Python. So let's try to make a simple calculator which can perform basic operations. So I will simply close this terminal for now, and now let's explore the program. So line number 2 and line number 3 are simply used for taking the input of two numbers. We have already learned how we can take the input, and apart from this I have just added a float so that the inputted number will get automatically converted into float value. After taking two numbers, now we have to take the operator from user. So for that I have simply written choose an operation, which is plus, minus, multiplication and division. So after assuming user has given two numbers and operator, then we have to store the result in a variable. So for that I have simply declared a variable called as result and assign it to 0 because initial answer will be 0. Now we have to check if user wants to add the numbers, subtract the numbers, multiply those numbers or divide those numbers. So for that we can use if else conditional statements. So the syntax for using those statement is in front of you, which is if operation. So operation is this name. So if operation equal to plus, which means that if user has selected plus, then the addition should get performed, and the code to perform addition is here. Remember to add this colon after every conditional statement, which is important. Suppose user has not chosen addition operation, then it will go to next operation, which is elif. Elif operation equal to minus and colon here, as you can see. So if user has chosen subtraction operation, so the code will firstly go here and check this operation. So if this matches with the user choice, then only it will execute this line, else it will go to elif condition. Suppose, and it will check that if user has chosen minus sign or subtraction operation, then only it will go to execute this line, else it will not go. Now if the user has not chosen addition, subtraction, and it will check whether the operation variable has asterisk symbol or multiplication symbol in it or not. If it has multiplication symbol, simply it will go here and multiply the two numbers and save the answer in result. And the last part, which is division, which is a little bit tricky. So it will simply come here and just check operation variable has this type of symbol. The answer can be yes. So if it has this type of symbol, then the first we should check that the number 2 given by user or the second number given by user is not 0, because we can't divide any number by 0. So if the number is not equal to 0, means the second number given by user is not 0, then we can directly perform the division operations and store the answer in result. But if the second number is given by user is 0, then it will simply print this statement that error cannot divide by 0, and it will simply exit the program by using this function, which is inbuilt function of Python. So after choosing any one option from these four options, it will simply go here, which is line 27, and simply print results num1 operation, which is this num2 equal to result. So the final answer will look like this. Result, suppose the two numbers are 5 plus 7 and equal to 12. So this was the basic explanation. Now let's go to live demo of this program of a simple calculator app. So I will simply open terminal and just click new terminal. So I will just make this screen up for better understanding, and I will simply type Python. This time the file name is ch7, so I will simply type ch and press tab and just hit enter. So it is asking me to enter first number, so I will simply type first number as 12, hit enter second number, so I will simply write second number as 7, hit enter. choose an operator. So this time I will be choosing plus operator. So I will simply choose plus operator and hit enter. And as you can see, the result is 5 plus 7 equal to 12. And also it has converted them to float due to this part of code. So let's rerun the program. So enter first number. So I will write first number as 7, second number as 5, and I will perform operation as minus, and I will just simply hit enter. And the answer is 2.0, which is correct, as you can see. Now let's try multiplication operation. So let's try first number as 7, second number as 5, and the operation is multiplication operation, and after that I will simply hit enter. And as you can see, the answer is 35, which is 100% correct. Now let's try the difficult part. So before trying that, I will just clear the screen. So I will simply type clear here and just hit enter, and just press the up arrow button to get the last input. So the last input was clear, but I don't want it, so I will once again press the up arrow button, and this is the command that I want to run. So I will simply hit enter and enter first number. So let's make second number 0 for testing purpose. So let's take first number as 6, second number as 0, and according to the program it should give me this error. So let's check that. I will just click enter here and just choose an operation. So I will simply click division operation and I will just hit enter, and as you can see, the message is printed that error cannot divide by 0. So this is perfectly right. Now let's rerun the program. Enter first number, let's say 50. Enter second number, let's say 10. Choose an operation. So I will simply choose division and hit enter. So as you can see, result is 50 by 10, which is 5, which is 100% accurate. So in this video, we have successfully created our basic calculator app, which is the first project in our Python course for beginners. That's all about conditional statement and live demonstration about them. So here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.